guys, okay, so I want to talk about adding, subtracting rational expressions that have unlike denominators. So it's just like regular fractions. We need to get a common denominator. So with these, they need to match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this. So it's 3x minus 2 over x plus 6. And then I'm going to put the other one over here. And this one's going to be 2x minus 3 over 2x minus 1. Okay, so I didn't do anything. I just kind of separated them. So in order to get a common denominator, they need to match. So this x plus 6 has to get a 2x minus 1. So I'm going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by what I need in that denominator. And on this side needs this x plus 6. So I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator over here with x plus 6. Now my denominators match. So I know that with my answer, I'm going to have x plus 6 and 2x minus 1. Okay, so here we're going to have to FOIL. Okay, so this one turns into 6x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 2. 3x times 2x, 6x squared. 3x times negative 1, negative 3x. Negative 2 times 2x, negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2. Okay, so that is plus. We're going to FOIL the next one. Okay, so 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times 6, 12x. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Negative 3 times 6 is a negative 18. Okay, so now I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm just going to write this problem one time as a numerator and denominator. So I'm going to scan over and say, okay, 6x squared and a positive 2x squared, I get 8x squared. Now I look at my x's. I have a negative 3x, a negative 4x, so that's negative 7x. And I have a positive 12 and a negative 3, so that's going to result in a positive 2x. Then I have a negative 18 and a positive 2, so that's a negative 16. Okay, you always want to ask yourself, can I factor anything here? Yes. I can divide all of those by 2. So I'm going to factor out a 2. And it's still over my denominator. Remember, my denominator is not going to change once we get them the same. And then I just want you to tell me what x cannot be. Okay, so we never want our denominator to equal 0. So we set both of our factors equal to 0 to say, okay, well, what can't this number be? A negative 6. A negative 6 plus 6 would equal 0. 0 times anything is still 0. And then you're going to set this one equal to 0, and you're going to get a positive 1/2. So our answer is right here. And you're telling me, okay, well, this is my answer, but x can't be negative 6 or 1/2. But you can put in any other x other than those two. All right, the next example I want to talk about is when you have a fraction divided by another fraction, okay? So the easiest thing to do with these is just to multiply your numerator and your denominator by the reciprocal, okay? So I'm going to multiply this one by x squared minus 4 over 4x minus 3. I'm going to multiply this one by the same thing, x squared minus 4 over 4x minus 3. Well, reciprocals, they cancel. So this denominator is totally gone now. And now I have a regular just numerator and denominator. Okay, so we want to factor. So you have 2x minus 3 over x minus 2. And we are multiplying that by, I'm going to factor that, x plus 2, x minus 2, over 4x minus 3. Okay, so now what we can do, I'll do it up here, x minus 2 over x minus 2 cancels. Okay? And so what's left is a 2x minus 3 times an x plus 2 all over a 4x minus 3. Okay, so how do we get rid of a fraction in our denominator? You multiply by the reciprocal. All right, good luck, guys.